Hi there. Welcome to RedactAI, where we make secure document sanitization simple. Some of the features in RedactAI are text extraction, where we use advanced Azure AI OCR tech to extract text from your documents. And also we have PAI detection, which uses Azure AI language services, which automatically detects and protects sensitive personal information in this document. And then in the background, we will then use this to cover it up, give normalized versions of that sensitive information. And then you'll be able to see the documents side by side, and then you'll be able to download them or upload them to the Azure cloud. So let's try Redact AI. We'll try now, and you can drag or drop in document, or we'll just select one here. So I'll just go into my file. We'll choose Bill Gates' resume. And then once we hit submit, it's going to extract the text, and then it's going to sanitize it. And then we'll be given kind of a dashboard that sees the name of the document, when it's processed, and then some options. And then on the left, you'll have the original document. And on the right, we'll have the sanitized document. So on the left, you see, it's just a normal regular document of Bill Gates' resume. And on the right, we have some sanitized docs. So we'll see that Bill Gates' name is like scrubbed out and put person. And then all the rest of these is also done the same. And then on the bottom, we'll see some of the dating scrubbing summaries of like what entities were scrubbed out or redacted in the resume itself. So anywhere where the AI tech decides that this is something that's a little sensitive or is an entity, then we'll scrub it out. So like organizations, persons, and then like emails, phone numbers, stuff like that will be scrubbed out as well. So let's upload a couple more documents. So let's say we put this resume. This will be process as well. And then let's do another resume. Now that we have 3 resumes here on this dashboard, these names are clickable. So you can click landscape resume, and you'll get shot right to the landscape resume or this resume itself. Or you also have a pagination option where you can go previous, next, and to the latest one that you have sanitized. And all of these will have their stats as well. And then if we go back to the dashboard here itself, you can either download the sanitized versions locally. So if you hit this download button, you'll have a sanitized version of it locally. And here you can upload to cloud. So if you go to the Redact container, there's nothing here on the storage blob. And then let's say we hit upload to cloud for Bill Gates' resume. Then it's been successfully uploaded to the Azure blob store. And then we hit refresh, and then there it is, Bill Gates' resume. And then you can do further processing on this, attach it to Azure functions, do whatever you like, AI processing, but it's sanitized and in your environment for Azure. And then if, let's say you wanted all of these, let's say you had 100 documents and you didn't want to, click it all by itself, you can either download all locally, and this will make a zip file of all those sanitized docs. So that's all the sanitized docs. And then if you wanted to, you could upload to cloud all of these documents. So you can hit upload to cloud, and it'll upload all of these documents, and the override is true. So Bill Gates' resume will be written over. So, but all 3 of the docs that you uploaded have been uploaded to your Azure Blob Store. And that is Redact AI, where we make secure document sanitization simple. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.